Viewers, the single news of INFY, the buyback announced 18,000 crore they are buyback doing the buyback shares. So that single news lifted the INFY, and that lifted the entire Nifty IT. So Nifty IT today did a very good performance that we will see. Does it continue tomorrow? That's a big question mark because NVIDIA, the quarterly result is announcing after US market opening. So that impact we will face in tomorrow opening market. So that will decide the short term upside or downside. We will decide it. Let we see. We'll have to wait. No other go. Then today, Techno Clean Air stock is listed. How it performed, we will see that. So everything we'll see one by one. Before that disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here for educational purpose, just sharing my views. Yeah, always a good trader or investor have to do their own study and analysis and have to take their own decision. With that understanding, we will proceed. Before that, I request please do subscribe, like, and share. Though, if in case if you feel this video is not relevant to you, please do share in other WhatsApp group. Someone will get benefited, and someone may needed this video will get benefited, as well as it's a help to me as well. Okay, right. Today Nifty 142 point positively closed, large cap 121 point, mid cap 72 point positively closed, small cap minus 71, and micro cap minus 39. So beginning I said this move is not a healthy. I said the reason is small cap and micro cap participation is not there. You may feel that it's mid cap participation is there. I don't think so. It's a good thing because mid cap has some F&O stock. So because of that play had happened, that's how I see. So the overall direction, if it is should be positive in the sense, everything should be positive. But we missing small and micro cap participation. So I cannot take this as a healthy positive closure. Let me see tomorrow how it closes. Nifty Bank today 316 point positively closed. Nifty IT 1069 point. So very good performance of Nifty IT. Today 2.97% positively closed. During the market hours it was more than 3%, but end of the day it bit reduced. So the worst sector today is oil and gas. We cannot say it is worst. It is just minus 0.35%. So whichever it looks green also and red also, everything near flat we can say that. So we cannot take it as a green or we cannot take it as a red. So the overall market looks that there is no negativity, but we cannot say it is a positivity. Usually used to say no, there is no darkness. It's actually the absence of light, we can say that. So similarly, there is no negativity. It's just absence of positivity or optimism, we can say that. So otherwise, market looks good. Okay, now we will see IPO and our regular market views. So excellence of technology, the IPO is open. It is open today and it will be there till 21 November. So whoever like to apply can apply that. So this company is an SaaS based company, especially in education sector, learning and assessment. It is the issue size is 500 crore. Price band is 114 and 120. So minimum bid size is 14,250. So the listing date is scheduled at 26th November. Okay, so this is about open IPO. Now we will see the listed Techno Clean Air India. So today it is at the opening it's at 23.63%. The first day it is closed. It is like the first ball make a six, such kind. Yesterday the same thing happened in physics vola, but that is I think around 43%. Though it is not that it is 23, still is a very good percentage in a single day. So that way we have to be very happy. So tomorrow Fujiyama Power Systems is listing, and day after tomorrow Capillary Technologies India. Sorry. Then market direction. So today Nifty made a high of 26,075, at the closing 26,053. So this it almost it just the previous swing high, we can say that. So in my previous videos I said this will act as a minor resistance. So once it is crossed, then the all-time high about 20,277. It's not a deal, but now it seems it's a quite big question mark, because today's Nvidia will decide whether it is going upside or taking back and taking the support at 25,650. That we have to wait and see. About Bank Nifty, today it made another all-time high. Today it touched 59,264. It's in good momentum. The support is 7,500. So the Nvidia impact overall impact the market, and that in turn will impact Bank Nifty also momentarily we can say that. Let me see. Then Nifty IT. So earlier I said the 37,000 will act as the minus resistance, because that is the previous swing high. So within a single candle, see, we can see a 4 candle made a downside, but one single candle engulfing all the 4 candles and touch the previous swing high. Now tomorrow, if it crosses, definitely we can expect 39,000 as the next resistance. Then mid and small 400, this is mid cap 150 and the small cap 250. Collectively, this index today it closed to just 13 point positive. So I earlier said market performance is not we can take it as a happy, because this is the reason. It clearly shows that the mid cap participation is only from the F&O stock in the mid cap. So overall mid cap was not good, though it has shown some 72 point positive. It is not a true participation of the entire mid cap, we can say that. So that is clearly reflecting in this index. It's exactly near resistance 20,600. So yesterday it made 20,573, almost the swing high. Tomorrow, if it crosses, then we can expect a very good up move in mid and small, micro, as well as Nifty also. Okay, so the overall Indian market, there is no negativity, and there is no positivity also. So everything depends. Sorry, everything depends on Nvidia's result. So that is a US market stock. Then how come it impact Indian market? It's not only US market. This is the world largest market capitalization stock. So definitely the impact will be there in across the market, because it's a big index, big stock. So we cannot avoid that. Then we will see our big brother US market. So last 4 days continuously it has come down. Yesterday it is Dow minus 498 points, S&P 500 minus 55, and NASDAQ Composite Index minus 275. So the immediate strong support is 45,000. It's again it depends on Nvidia. I am saying so many times, because it's impactful for the market. So that's the reason I keep on repeating that. Let me see. Then if you see S&P 500, exactly yesterday at intraday it has penetrated the 6,600 support, but at the end of the day it closing above the supports. That is one good thing we can say that. Similarly, Nasdaq Composite Index 22,200 is the strong support. Yesterday it almost it touched it and closed quite above to that. So overall US market, again it depends on today's Nvidia result. So let me see. So we have to wait for tomorrow opening. We will come to know. Now we will see the F&O stocks. There is in the gainer side we will see GoForge and Max Health, and the losing side Saman Capital and Biocon. So all these things we will see one by one. First Max Health. So today this stock closed 4.27% positively closed. See the decisive green candle. Something it is double bottom. It looked like a W. The immediate resistance would be 1,220 range, and if it crosses, then 1,300 would be the target. So there is high possibility it will move towards 1,300. Then go for. So this stock you can able to see a quite upside movement. It's traveling in the upper side channel. Though it is close to 4.4% today, we cannot take it as very positive. it's at a swing high, we can say that previous swing high. Until unless it breaks this swing high, this present prices, then we cannot until then we cannot say it is a good thing, because there is a high possibility that it will reverse us. So it reverses, the immediate support would be this channel bottom. Let me see. And Summit Capital, see the heavy red candle. Actually this was during intraday, this one not such a high negative. At the last, after 2 o'clock, it made a drastic down movement. I can show you in 5 minutes. So see, throughout the day it was maintained some level of negativity, but after 2 o'clock, heavy fall. So that made a very big red candle. Today minus 12% it is closed. The F&O stock double digit, that to negative is very concerned thing. Presently it is closed at support level. So the way it has come down, it's high probability that it will break down this support also. The next support would be 135. Next, Biocon. So Biocon made a cup-like formation. Then it has break that previous swing high. So now there was a heavy profit booking. Today minus 2.73% negatively closed. So it may come down till 400. 400 is the support. While comes at 400, let me see whether it breaks or it will turn again upper side. So in case you are considering any of these 4 stock, please do your own study analysis and take your own decision. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.